children. Today we are going to read a story book. The name of the story is Nimmi the Cat. Vicky was a little boy. He lived in a big house. Vicky had a dog named Spooky and a naughty cat named Nimmi. Nimmi had a soft white fur. Every day, Nimmi would trouble Spooky. When Spooky slept, Nimmi would pull his tail and say, "Meow, meow." Then Spooky would chase Nimmi all around the house. Nimmi played the whole day. She would drink milk from Spooky's saucer. Spooky was always quiet. One day, Nimmi was playing with Vicky. "Woo woo!" barked Spooky. Nimmi had hidden his bone. Spooky was hungry and wanted his bone back, but Nimmi wouldn't give it back. Woof! Spooky chased Nimmi. Nimmi climbed the roof. She looked down. Spooky was still watching her. "Woof, woof!" he cried. Nimmi fell into the chimney. Her white fur had turned black. In the evening, Vicky came back from school. He said,
"Nimmi, where are you? Come and have your milk."
"Meow, meow," said Nimmi and rushed to drink milk. Vicky said,
"You naughty cat, you look so dirty. Let me give you a bath."
"Meow, meow," said Nimmi. Nimmi hated having a bath. After her bath, Nimmi's fur was white again. Spooky was very happy. "Bow wow," he barked. I hope you liked the story. Let's meet again with a new story.